Hi guys, welcome to MS Online Academy. My name is Murugesh, and in this video we are going to be study about the weekly market update. Okay, first we are going to review about the world market, Indian market, the different sectors of Indian market and stocks. Okay, we are going to choose few stocks where we can concentrate on a long side and a short side also, and we are getting the opportunity from those stocks and we are trying to make some money. Okay, let me share my screen and we can go through that one. For the new people, just I'll explain about the top-down approach. Okay, first we are going to be study about the world market, after that Indian market, sector and sectorial view. Okay, in this way, what will happen? We are going to be filter. First of all, we are going to be get the perfect view about the overall market, global market, Indian market, and everything. After that, if the market is in a bullish mode, we are going to be choose to strong outperforming stocks or strong stocks to trade long side. If the market is sideways, we are going to be a defensive trader where we are not, trading in a longer, short side aggressively. But the market is in a weak or a bearish side, then we are going to be find the opportunity where we can short the market. Okay, that is how we are going to be find the good stocks and getting the view about the index and everything. Okay, this is the best way where I am using from long back, and it is giving a good result. And I urge everyone to be go through this every week, at least twice in a month, to get the market view. Okay, this is what I used to be followed to create the statistics of the global market and Indian market. Okay, here you can mainly we are using the RSI as a benchmark tool to get the market view. Okay, and we know that unconventional way of the RSI 60/40. Okay, based on the 60/40, wherever above 60 the market in any of the time frame it is traveling or it is sustaining, then we can say that is a bullish market. But now what happened, even though in US, Germany and Japan the global markets are not in that way, weekly and daily the stocks, the RSI are the below 60. Okay, it is clearly mentioning us like the market is in a sideway. Okay, even few markets like US, Dow Jones or S&P 500, those are above 16 monthly. Okay, but this week what happened? This week those are came from 60 to 40. Yeah, 60 to below 60. Okay, let me show this here. Okay, this data will be a previous week data. Okay, this is the now whatever this is current week data, whatever it is closed on the Friday, because we know that Friday it was a fall in all the markets, even the in US market also it is. Yeah, last week it was a a bearish trend. Okay, and because of that, what will happen, from 62 it came below 60. That means it came into a bullish trend to bearish or a sideways trend. Okay, so now the concern about the global market is where it's sideways. Okay, we have to wait for at least weekly to cross above 60 where we can get the support, to change the view from sideways to bullish. Okay, you can see here in the Nifty, Bank Nifty, Indian markets, these also. Okay, weekly, last week, daily those are came below 60 now. Okay, that means the Indian market also in the defensive way. Weekly few market, Bank Nifty is in a complete sideway. Okay, and Nifty is reduced it's from 75 to 67. That means because of the Friday candle, it is a big candle, and I can suggest, I mean, we can see a follow through on Monday also. Okay, so Monday we can see the bearish market again, and it could be a gap up. After that it could bounce back for 1 or 2 days. Later on we can see a bullish market. We can update, I mean, I can update that later on also. But overall we have to be, now we have to be very defensive trader. Don't go long in a aggressive matter, aggressive positions. Okay, uh, but overall market, for example, monthly it is still above 60. Weekly, except Bank Nifty, those are, yes, holding the 60 range. If in case by next week those are come below 60, just like a global market, then we can see a bearish trend in Indian market also. Okay. Okay, you can see some world market charts also here. Okay, let me take this. Okay, yeah, you can see here it is coming below the 60. That means it's going to be a sideway. It must if it want to be a bullish, then it has to take a support here just like this, and it has to cross again 60 by next week. But it will take a 1 week at least, because it's a complete engulf candle. There is a huge bearishness in a Dow Jones, so we have to be. It might be affect our Indian market also. So you can see here, if you draw that line like this, and here there will be a divergence. But divergence we can't consider if it is a more than 15 bars. But these are the nuggets or signals where we can expect some bearishness. This is a negative divergence. Based on that also, sometimes you can take some cautiousness. Okay. Now, Nasdaq, it is a completely bearish. This is the range shift or rejection from the 60. And you can see if you do the back testing about this rejection from the 60, this is the major area. That's why we made a 40-60 as a non-conventional way of RSI reading. Okay, whenever you see a rejection from this particular 60, okay, you can short the market, right? So as a trader, we must need to be ready for both the side. One is go long side and shorting the market also. For the investor, they used to be do the long side only. But even though if you are an investor, you must need to be know about the hedging your long position by shorting the market. That is the ultimate edge where we can save our money in terms of hedging by selling the futures. Okay. Similarly, here also it is rejected. It is a SPX, okay, 500, right? It is a complete bearishness, and it is came to the middle band where it could be take some support, because middle band is a strong support, okay, or 20 moving average you can say. Okay, similar, it is rejected from the 60. Okay, see, if in case we understand one particular point from the RSI, we must need to be do the back testing, forward testing, and get the opportunity from that. No need to be learn everything, whatever it is there in the market. You must learn few things, and you must need to be apply that, consistently. Okay, because either global market or a Indian market or whatever stock or index, the technicality of the stock market is same. We are learning here about the very few things where we are going to be applied. Okay, so we learn few things like DWM taking support at 40. Okay, if you apply that same in any of the stocks in our Indian market, you can make a you can make a swing trade and you can make some money. Okay, but here what exactly the thing is missing, people are not doing their homeworks. Okay, we must need to be review the market, we must need to be find the stocks, but people are not doing that one. They are expecting the tips from other people. But as a community member, if you are my community member, you must need to do that. Every week we must need to be go through the market, all the charts. We have to find out the 40 support, 60 rejection, 60 advanced EWM. Whatever you people are learned, you must need to be apply that one. Okay, at least make a list of stocks where at which RSI levels those are, and what you can think, what you can take opportunity from that. Okay, this is Nasdaq. Similar, it is a completely sideways. Okay, this is what the sectorial performance. Okay, first we reviewed about the uh, global market, different indices of different countries. We come to know that one, the world market is in a sideways. So we are not going into the bearish aggressively. Now, that is the conclusion from the global market perspective. Next is sectorial performance. First, we will see the statistics of that. After that, we can see the charts also. Okay, you can see PSU Bank is below 40 in daily and below 40 in weekly also. That means it is in a bearish mode where we are going to be find out the short positions. Okay, similarly IT, okay, and pharma, Even though market last week it is a bearish, these are holding above 16 all the time frame. So if in case next week the Nifty and Bank Nifty Indian markets are taking a reversal from the current 24 500 is a benchmark, currently 400 and 500, 455 actually, as per the one monthly crossover method. Okay, between 400 to 500, if in case we are seeing any of the bottom out situations, in the same time if any of the pharma and IT sectors are, any of the stocks are doing a great uptrend, then we are going to be trading those stocks. Okay, understand? So if in case we are thinking about the long side, we have two sectors where we are going to be take a long positions. One is pharma and another one is IT. Okay, but we need a Indian market support like Nifty and Bank Nifty also. Okay, but apart from that, we have a FMCG. Okay, in weekly it is super bullish. I mean, it's a 70 and 80 it is holding. Okay, and auto, infra. Okay, there are sectors where you at the RSI 40 support. That means infra at this 40 support, it's above 60. That means DWM. Okay, in the similar way, R2 near 40 and above 60 in both the weekly and monthly. That means DWM. So find out the stocks from auto and infra where they are at the support of 40, and we can take a bet with a one green candle whenever it is in next week, whenever it is made a green candle, you can take a one stop loss of that particular SL, and we can try to rate for a 60 RSI 60 from 40 to 60 means it's a swing trade. Okay, long swing, long side swing trade. Okay, because market is not in a trending way. That's why we must need to be go through the swing way methods only. That's why we shared advanced DWM, and one more is system 3 momentum trading. These are the three strategies where we have discussed already, and then the 2 3 swing trading strategies are there, and I am going to be sharing in coming days. Okay, but apply at least whatever you learned till today. Okay, if you are not reviewing these kind of statistics, then definitely you can't find which stock, from which stock I can find the DWM stocks. Even I have provided the scanner also, but you must need to work, you must need to do your work in a weekends and make a basket of your stocks and do the trading. Otherwise it is very difficult to be sustained in the stock market. You must need your effort. Okay, I can provide the data, I can provide the strategy, but finally you need to do the back testing, forward testing, weekly market update, and make a basket of stocks. Thereafter only you can get the confidence to execute your trade. Okay, so finally for the long side we got two sectors, IT and pharma. In the bearish side, PSU banks and already media in definitely media it is in a sideway. Yes, here it is the Nifty chart. It is below 60 in daily. Now, still in weekly and monthly, these are above 60. Okay, but there is a rejection from the 60. If it is making any reject, I mean made any swing, I mean sorry, range shift here and cross below 24 4 500 again, then there will be a 24 to 50 as a next downside targets. Sensex, it's similar to the bank Nifty. Okay, Nifty bank, it is already rejecting from the 60, and you know that banking sector is a backbone of a Indian financial overall Indian market actually. Okay, if Nifty bank or a banking sector is doing good, that means the Indian economy or a market is stable. Okay, that means bank Nifty is not doing great. It is in a sideway. That means other sectors also may affect and take a sideway. So this is the cautious area where we must need to be take a small positions, or we must need to be reduce our position size, and we have to be defensive trader again. Nifty Finance still holding above 60. These are the stocks from Nifty Finance. Now what we can do, we can just go through other sectors also and check the structure of the chart. It's a Nifty Auto. Look at this. It's breakdown from this particular trend line and rejected from the 60. You people need to be make a note of this, rejection of 60, when it is rejecting, and how can people use that particular area to short the market. You can short any of the, Nifty Auto stocks where it is rejecting from the 60. Take a one candle risk and try that one. At least do the back testing. Then only you people can get the confidence. Okay. These are the stocks from the auto sectors. Okay. Nifty IT. This is, as we discussed, this is the one stock where it is, holding still all the RSI 60 above 60. And if it is taking a support from the 60, then we can call this as an advanced TWM. That means all the RSI above 60 or in all the time frames. Understand? These are the stocks from IT sectors. Okay. Persistence is the stock where we are tracking and TCS also. But you can check all the stocks charts and you can take your a decision. Nifty Pharma. Okay. As we find from the statistics, this is the strong sector again. Okay. These are the stocks from the Nifty Pharma. Okay. Yes, Nifty Infra. Look at this. It is at 60 in weekly. Okay, above monthly in any way. It is above 60. That means it is a super bullish in monthly time frame. Weekly, it is taking at the 60 support. Daily at 40. Okay, that means DWM. Okay, but there is a loud move in the daily. We need definitely, even though if it is taking a support and going above, there will be a slow movement. Okay, but for the investment, these are the best area actually to add the in a quantity to our particular portfolio. This is the best area. Okay, these are the stocks from the infrastructure in Nifty Infra. Okay. Nifty Energy, it just came below 60 and taking support at 40. If it is made any green candle over here, then there will be a bounce back to all-time high again. Okay. Nifty Energy also for the long side. Reliance ONGC is one of our breakout stock, cup breakout stock. Okay. Nifty PSC, it's similarly, it could take a 60 support in weekly and daily support at 40 support. Okay. These are the stocks from the Nifty PSC. Okay. NTPC, Coal India, ONGC. Okay. PFC, REC. Right. Nifty Reality. Okay. It's looks like a sideway. We can avoid this one. DLF, Loda. These are the stocks from the Nifty Reality. Okay. Nifty Consumer Durable. This is one of the strong sector. Okay. Where we can track aggressively. Okay, but be careful. In weekly, it made a spinning top. If it is breakdown from that particular last candle, there could be a definitely there could be a retracement to 40,000. Okay. Okay, these are the stocks from Nifty Consumer Durable. Track Titan. It is showing some strength actually. If it is taking support. Dixon, Havels. Okay, let me share few stocks to go through, for the next week for a long and short side. Okay. What I can do, I'll go through few stocks where I have been already, shortlisted. Okay, and based on this particular method, I request everyone to go through all the stocks of all the sectors. Okay, so let's begin with few stocks where we can go through. You can look at this HDFC Life Insurance where it is taking a support at 60. Okay, that means all the RSI above 60, but taken again, make a note of, important point. In weekly, it is a reversal candle. Okay. So we have to be very careful. Okay. Just, we must need to be wait for the reversal candle over here. Yeah. Here also similar thing. Okay. Because weekly, spinning top is a strong, signal for the weakness of a market. Okay. And but in this case, in a ICICI insurance, it is the volumes are not that great. You know that spinning top with high volume, that those are the area where we have to be very very cautious about the long side. Okay. And if you look at monthly, it is taking a support. Okay. There will be a trend line support also. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Emphasis. This is the best stock. Okay. Okay. Why means can see here. This is a breakdown of a trend line, upper trend line. After that, it is taking a support in a weekly. Okay. That means it's called as a change in polarity. One point. Second point is that okay, it is still above 16 all the time frames. If it made any of the green candle over here, okay, sorry, we must need to be try this one just like this. You look at this. It took a support, make one small green candle, okay, gap down and the best tag. This is why I request everyone to go through again those DWM and advanced DWM, you know, strategies and follow that one. Those are the gems for creating a income. Swing trading, 8%, 12% monthly. If you get two best trades, okay, 8 to 10% trades, that will be enough. There is no need of doing these, intraday trades. Okay, just make sure that you are, getting one particular strategy and you are just following at least for 2 months without failure. Do your homework, make a list of stocks just like this, okay, and follow that one. Okay, taken similar, it's need a a small green candle over here. It could give a rally just like this up above 60. After that, it take a support. Look at the travel. Okay, TVS Motor, it is all the time frames are above 60. Okay, so but weekly it looks like a engulf here, so we have to be careful. Okay, weekly it is doji. Okay, but all the time frames in all the RSA is above 16 all the time frame. Okay, Torrento Pharma. Okay, it's a pharma sector. Okay, need to be wait for the green candle here. It is a definitely it's a strong stock. Apollo Hospital, similarly, because of see, if just take one important point. Now Nifty is in a sideway. Okay, it is looking like a bearish, for, based on the last candle. But if in case Nifty is to support from the 400 and 500 range, okay, in that time we have to be concentrate on these 4 to 5 stocks from IT and pharma, because market also supporting, and in the same time stocks also, our basket is the stocks from our basket those are very strong, so we can definitely bet from in that we can achieve our 6 figure trade. Okay, DLF, these stocks from the bearish side actually rejected from 60. Okay, it could reject from this area also. So DLF is for definitely for the shorting side, but wait for the opportunity. Is the Reliance Future? Yes, Reliance Future. I think so. It's okay. Sale. Look at this. It's at 60 support. If it is breakdown from the near swing, then there will be another downtrend. But still similar. If it is breakdown from the 40 in daily, then we can see another downfall for 143. Okay. So these are the stocks from long side and a short side also. Okay, and I want you to be do your homework. I can't here review all the 200 stocks from my FNO. Okay, so you have the tools like swing trading tools, you have the screeners, okay, everything you have, and kindly go through the all the procedures whatever we followed till now, and you can connect with me and we can work again. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching.